We have all been there. Someone sends you a PDF that needs a quick edit, a signature, or a fast format change. Suddenly, you are stuck downloading heavy, clunky desktop software, or worse, dealing with a sketchy free converter that messed up your entire layout. But what if you could do that? All of this securely in seconds, just right from your web browser? Welcome back everyone. Today we are doing a hands-on review on Zendocs, a web-based document platform built to handle all of your PDF needs to zero installation. So what actually makes Zendocs stand out? Let's talk about its full-feature browser editor. Unlike basic readers, Zendocs gives you professional precision. You can jump directly into the document to edit text, swap out or resize images, and reorder or delete pages entirely on a simple drag-and-drop screen. Need to secure a lease or sign a work agreement? Zendocs lets you fill out forms and apply clean digital signatures in a few clicks. It's essentially a desktop-grade editor, but it runs perfectly on your desktop, tablet, or phone. Where Zendocs really shines is file conversation. It supports both static and dynamic file conversations. That means you can seamlessly transform PDFs into clean, editable Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files without losing your formatting. And if you are working with visuals, you can export your pages into high-resolution formats like PNG, JPG, and even printed vector files like SVG or EPS. Best of all, you don't have to do this one by one. Zendocs features a dedicated batch mode, allowing you to merge, compress, or convert massive piles of files at the exact same time, saving you hours of repetitive work. Now let's talk about the security. Your sensitive documents shouldn't be floating around on unencrypted servers. Zendocs uses secure HTTPS file encryption to protect your data, and they even give you the option to add password protection to your highly confidential files. If you want to test it out yourself, they are currently offering a full 7-day trial for just 99 cents. It's a great, low-risk way to run your own test and see if it fits into your daily routine. Ultimately, if you are tired of paying for massive, expensive software packages just to make basic changes to your documents, Zendocs is an incredibly fast, secure, and modern alternative. Check out the link in the description below and start your trial today. And my dear friends, let me know what you think in the comments. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next videos.